Hi, my name is Gary Catania and I'm the pre-owned manager at Long Island Sports Cars. Our business model focuses on offering the finest low-mileage pre-owned vehicles, ones that are well maintained and have clean vehicle history. How do we find these vehicles? From you, our loyal customers. We have found that the finest vehicles are those that we know the service history on, as well as the current owner. So if you're considering parting with your vehicle, be it an Aston Martin, McLaren, or any other vehicle, please keep me in mind. I will be happy to assist you by making the process simple, fast, and easy. Log on to LongIslandSportsCars.com, click on Sell Gary Your Car, and fill in a quick information screen. Make sure to provide me with a daytime phone number. I look forward to speaking with you.